Let me go back.
Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. I'm actually at JamRock right now, and we are with the travel queen, the travel culture.
I'm gonna do another vlog, y'all, but I just want to see y'all like briefly right now. But I'm gonna do a good vlog later.
JamRock.
I'm gonna come in a date.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, guys, we're at the JamRock restaurant, and we're enjoying, family. As you can see, guys, we have our partner in crime, Traverse Culture, relocation and travel agency. She's actually she's from the USA, and she travel around the world, family. She even have a tattoo of Jamaica in her back, family. So, as you know, guys, Jamaica is a very small island, but it's powerful. And what makes it powerful is the people, family. You'll find people from Jamaica, four corners of the earth, doing what they're doing, either by spreading Jam message, or helping people, or doing something, sharing something with someone around the world. That's just Jamaican family. And I'm a Jamaican here, with the Jam Tours Africa family. We really want to help you come back to Africa. If that's because in Jamaica, we hear so many reggae music back to Africa. Every Jamaican want to come back to Africa. It's just a dream. And, it's in your DNA because it was taken from here. So that's the reason why you actually have that feeling and that, that way of life that you really want to come back, family. So, that's the reason. So you don't want to come back because you just want to come back. It's in your DNA for you to come back, and it's in your consciousness for you to come back. And if you should come back, you're gonna get the calling. And when you get the calling, you have to answer to the calling, family. And Jam Tours Africa we answer to the calling, and that's the reason why we are here, and we're actually trying to help others to come back and help them to get set up here, inspiring, living a normal, unfiltered life. So you can see that you can come here, you can raise kids, you can actually work, and you can actually grow your family here, you can have fun here, just like how you'll have it in the West, and you have a better family. So those are the things we share in family, and I hope that this video will inspire you, and you will share it with others so you can inspire them that when they come. Jamaican gravy.
Whoa, what did you get? That's fine.
That's my phrase.
What's that? Okay. This is your first time having Jamaican?
Real Jamaican flavor for true.
Did you get? We eat in Jamaican food and Kenya, y'all.
Yeah.
In Kenya, and it tastes good. It's good. I wouldn't say it if it wasn't. It's really, really good, y'all.
Yeah, family. So this JamRock restaurant is at School Lane, Westlands, Brookside. Check it out if you want to get the real Jamaican flavor for true.
Okay. We're gonna bring our guests here too.
Yeah.
We'll add them in.
Yeah, trust me.
We can add them in.
Yeah, man. The real Jamaican flavor for true.
Yep. We got some Jamaican juice. I mean some spicy sauce. Yeah, jerk sauce. Yeah. Oh yeah.
You have your machoma?
Where?
What if you know actually season up there? In your choma and grill it like how no grill it.
This is like choma.
Yeah.
Jerk.
The jerk, yeah.
This is like stew. But baby, I make some oxtail the southern way.
Mm-hmm.
Hey.
This is like beans?
That's the sauce.
Butter bean.
Oh Lord.
Butter bean and baked bean.
Very tender.
Wow.
Very tender. Wicked.
Wait a minute now.
Wicked
I
style.
said, where yo?
Yardman style.
One.
One style.
That me say, what? What? What?
Spread out.
Do that?
If you don't hear that in the club, it's not popping.
Spread out.
They're loud like you guys.
Yeah,
They're too loud.
they love us.
Like, do you find us like talking in low little tones? Like,
Here?
Yes.
I
Y'all
like
talk
it.
too
No, I
low.
like it like that.
you like it that way?
Like that.
Rather than like the
And they
shouting?
get
I
under
don't
my
like the
skin.
shouting and noise and stuff like that. You like shouting?
Yeah,
Why?
me too.
So you don't like how we talk?
That it gets under my skin. I can't stand it.
I like when they
can't hear them.
they're humble. No, not when they're quiet, but I like when they're humble and not too shouting and be aggressive and stuff like that. You know, when it comes from that side,
Yeah.
there's too much toxic people and aggressive people.
That's true.
Sometimes some people is humble.
Well, you know, West African is like that. Yeah, we're very actually, and that's the reason why you find that.
Like what? Like we talking now?
But I like that they accept
No, I like
us.
it towards me upward.
They
But
don't
that's
make
too
us
loud.
feel
But
bad
that's
that
okay.
I'm loud.
Yeah.
She's too loud. Sometimes you feel embarrassed going to her to official meeting. She's like, hey, yeah.
Tell her what I did today at the official meeting today.
If you're saying
After she
that,
did the whole thing, I said, can I curse, please? They said, oh, you know, we don't. I said, you know, can I just be American for like 2 seconds? Can I curse? They said, go ahead. I said, that was fucking brilliant. Everybody just. But I gotta be myself.
yes, true.
I gotta be. Yeah.
We have to be loud all our lives.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true.
Suppressed. We have to.
We're always outstanding.
Yeah.
Outstanding.
That's true.
Yeah, it's a part of who we are.
We are
Yeah.
the rebellious descendants of Africa.
Yeah.
tell the
And
people
we
that.
are returning home to stir some shit up.
Yeah.
That's the truth.
We're coming back to change it.
Respectfully.
Claim it.
No, here.
Jamaica,
live here, right?
Jamaica is the 6th
Yeah.
region of Africa.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a part of it's the Caribbean, but just call it the African culture because Africa
It
is the
is.
motherland, and it's still called Jamaica the motherland in the Caribbean.
Yeah.
Caribbean people are more in tune with African culture.
I would say
than
out
us
of all the
because
Caribbean, Jamaica is the one that
So
talk
far
highly of
more
Africa.
Yeah.
Yeah, most.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jamaicans is the only one that talk more about
Yeah.
Africa.
I learned something
We
today.
are more
Like,
African
Jamaica
than
is
or
not
something.
in Africa.
Did you actually say it?
See, you learned that today, right? Because Jamaicans are more African than other people in the
Jamaica.
Caribbean.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Jamaica.
What do you call
Jamaica.
She said Jamaica.
it? No, what do you call the
Jamaica.
country?
Jamaica.
Jamaica, like how I said it. That's
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
She said Jamaica.
Jamaica.
The way you pronounce it, that's right.
Yeah, you do. And how y'all say schedule? Schedule.
Schedule. Schedule.
Not me, even like the
Jamaica say it.
no. No, the CEO was like, what's the schedule
She
for
did.
Friday?
I wanted to say so bad. What did you say?
No, she's the CEO, and that is how we say it.
I wasn't going to disrespect the CEO. But she was good.
You want to test my chicken?
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
No, they don't have hot pepper.
Peely, peely.
Kenyan Spanish pepper? Jamaican pepper is not Kenyan
Scotch
pepper.
bonnet.
And Scotch
Just
bonnet.
Yeah, it's hot. If you like pepper, you can take it. It's okay.
It's called Scotch bonnet. I'm going to take some of
When
it.
when you taste that, you say, Bumbo clot.
What's that?
What's that?
Like when you say bamba.
Yo, so
Like how I say shut up.
Yeah.
It depends on
What's
how
up?
you say it
Or your
and what
feelings.
sentence.
yeah.
So if somebody disrespects you, say, what the bomba clock? Or you can just say, bomba clock, what?
So it has many expressions.
many expressions, yeah.
Many expressions. It just depends
You
on.
know, for Kenyans, we use it to say that I'm a bad person,
So you know,
Yeah. You know,
Yeah,
we
so
have
many
some
expressions.
Kenyans
Yeah.
Depends on
who
the mood
are
you're in.
trying
Use
to
expressions.
mask
Like
Yeah.
I said,
themselves
teach
like
them
Jamaicans.
Yes.
And they try to have a Jamaican
Just like,
Jamaican accent.
Yeah.
You know, because of the song.
The songs, yeah.
And then they'll be like Ja
Rastafari.
and like they'll try out like I don't want to go have an accent.
No.
Like,
Yeah.
accent that you have.
Yeah.
And like they start using da
Da.
instead of there.
There,
We
da.
will win whatever y'all need from us to get
Daka,
you here.
we are going to that Daka. You know,
Go
that's
to
an
the-
accent.
Yeah.
Because you have the D.
We just been with a lady yesterday.
DH something.
Yeah.
Kicking somebody in March. So on and so forth.
Have you met
So
Kenyans
whatever
like
he
that?
need from us.
Not really.
I'm taking you to Kibera.
Oh wow.
been.
I never been to Kibera.
Let me take
You know, let me
Kibera.
tell you this.
You can take them to the Jamaican Kibera.
Yeah, you need to take us. You need to take us. Wow. Yeah.
The Rasta, when you Nini, the Rasta who said, do you remember COVID, remember I was saying 2020.
Yeah.
COVID is not here, all you have to...
Kia, I want to come on your Rasta.
Yeah.
When you guys going to work,
They
I'm
said-
coming.
Yeah,
They
we go.
told Kia
Yeah.
that, you know,
I was here during COVID.
COVID is in the US.
Yeah.
Kenya, we do.
Yeah.
It
Because-
goes away. Rasta. I'll take you to Kibera.
Yeah, man. I'll say I'll have to come on your Rasta and come out because I don't get a.
It's a club.
Kibera.
Kibera.
You know, we
That would be nice.
We have clubs that have painted like this
Wow.
to be like just to
Yeah.
Vibe and stuff.
yeah,
Wow.
like a vibe.
Yeah.
And then we have people who the Rastafarian.
The
Yeah.
actual Rastafari. Yeah.
So they
Wow.
do.
What club is
they
that?
do.
We'll take you.
They do their hats.
And the Rasta, the
They
locks.
weave them.
Wow.
They weave in Rasta colors.
Wow.
They have Rasta vests.
Yeah.
Can I please have a pili pili?
You have Scotch bar.
Try some of that sauce.
Yeah, the jerky.
No, you don't do that because they say it's very hot.
No, not that one. The sauce. It's pili.
That one is hot.
No, that's hot.
That's how it?
That's hot. That's not hot enough.
See? Give her the sauce. The one that
He has
you
Scotch
use.
bonnet.
Bamba
Scotch bonnet.
Let me ask
Yeah,
one
that's
of
the one.
them.
The Bamba class sauce.
Yeah, that's a good brand name, you know. Bumbo clad
Yeah,
sauce.
that would be good.
That'd be good. Bumbo clad sauce. Yeah.
We'll take you to Kibra.
Yeah, trust me, man. And
Bamba class sauce?
this will be some great content
We
for
had
YouTube.
a client. We had a client
That's too
from
much
the
for shall we
States.
say?
She wanted. Well, no, we still have a client. She wanted to get her hair braided. I usually call my team or whatever just to set up whatever. I didn't call her. I took her to Keybrook. I took her to get some fish, the best fish you'll ever have in your goddamn life. Huh? Jesus Christ, that lady.
Where?
Man,
Best
how
fish
y'all
in
say-
Kenya?
Jesus Christ. That fish was so good.
This
Then we
lady
eat.
came and she was like, what did you
I
say
had the
about
lady
fuck
shopping
Jesus?
all through Keybrook. We up in there all like 8 o'clock at night.
If you want a hot sauce, there it is. You can try it.
She said, I love Keybrook.
I love it. That's what meeting with my hands. Trying to like get them.
But you are African. How come you're not in the African continent? And you keep on singing.
Lady,
Doesn't taste like
eating the fish. Steam fish.
Where is that? In Kibera?
With dry, yeah.
Wow.
It's right around the
Pull up
corner
here.
from our office. The food's so good.
Where is the office here?
In Adams.
something gets better.
Food's so good. Then I took her to Keybrook.
Oh wow.
Got her hair braided. You see the difference? Got her hair braided. She just shouted out, Eunice, everything. Then I took her to go buy shoes.
Yeah.
It's nighttime. Look, wait. By myself, my team, they at home chilling.
It's because we made you feel comfortable.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's the queen of Kiva.
Yeah.
You want to know anything? No, for real. If you look up her name, she's like the queen of Kiva. Yeah.
She's lying.
So when I got her as an employee, I was like, oh.
And that's the
I
thing.
got
You
the
need
queen
people
of
like
Cuba,
this. You
yes.
need people like this now to touch the grassroots people.
She's been with me since 2019. This lady. This,
First,
this,
what happened? You're not telling them the real story. What happened is she had a jet lag, or she was busy, or she was
what?
panicking, or something.
Huh?
So somebody, yeah, you
When?
had guests, you had a delegation.
When? In 2019?
Yeah, before I met you, I
Yeah,
met
the
your
government.
delegation
I brought the
first.
government of Charlotte here.
So I worked for her before she met me.
Wow.
So I
Yeah.
took her guests to Kibera,
Yeah.
introduced them to the right people in Kibera,
Wow.
the good initiatives in Kibera.
Yeah.
Then they went back and said, oh, the lady was so good. Oh my God. Then she was like, I think one of the guests was asking, like, you don't know her? Like, no. You don't know her name? No. Then the following, she called me at night and she said, can you come to my hotel, please?
Yeah.
I would like
Yeah.
to meet you.
Yeah.
They was very strict on me in terms of not bringing poverty to us. But that was already where I was at. She looked at me, she said, we don't want no poverty to us. I said, that's not what I'm going to do. I don't believe in that. You're a resilient people. You're a marginalized group of community, but you have a whole ecosystem. You can't
Yeah.
get past that.
Yeah, you can't get past
You
that.
can't get past that.
This is like everywhere in the world.
She was born and raised in Keeper.
Yeah.
She got married, moved out, Leamington or Parkland, somewhere.
Then I convinced my husband to
To
come
move
back
back.
to Kibera. That's
Keeper.
my hood.
Good.
And I have an internship program. She's my intern, but she's my PA. And they all are out of Keeper.
Wow, that's so
Yeah.
good.
All
Yeah.
of, so, yeah. After that,
So,
she came and said,
before-
when I'm going to get my shirt, because we was Worldviews,
Yeah.
another company.
Yeah.
When
World
I'm going to get my
Views.
shirt, when I'm going to
So
get my
good.
shirt to wear. I said, hold on, let me build up, I'll hire you.
Yeah.
That's when she been with me.
Manifest.
Yeah,
Yeah,
To
man.
know.
This is her damn company.
yeah.
Yeah.
So when I
She
got to
worked just as
her,
hard as I do.
when I went to her hotel, she was like, oh, my guests are so happy. They're talking about you.
Oh.
I'm like, that's nothing. Like,
That's not. That's
they
that's.
didn't even have time. I had so much to show them. And she's like, are you for real? I'm like, yeah. Kibera is too big for just one day.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can't tell your clients like they had enough of Kibera. And mostly when people go to Kibera, they say you have to hire cops.
That's in the slum, right?
Yeah.
This is the biggest.
Biggest slum here.
I was like, do you see any danger? Like I was just telling them, you hear about Kibera, they say you have to have security, excuse me.
Yeah, I heard that.
Like did
You
we
don't.
They
did
say
we
when the
have,
rain fall and you slip, make sure you don't slide over that section of the road.
Ah,
Slide over. Do not slide over this side or keep your side. Make sure
You
you
know how
fall.
many days
slide
we
over that
take
side.
our guests to Kibra? 2 days back to back.
But I heard that there were some good schools
2
there.
days.
I
We support
know
a school.
And
With no
tourists,
cops.
a lot of tourists always go in there.
White people.
White people go in there, yeah.
We're the
So
only
really?
company to support school in
only
Kibra.
black
The only black. No, we the only now.
Enjoy your meal?
And
Good.
we take our guests 2 times
Yeah.
back to back to Kibra. One for our signature naming ceremony with the Nubian people. You know the Nubian people found Kibra.
this,
Oh, wow.
this is
Yes.
Really?
found in,
Hey, no.
Yes.
This is also found in Kenya,
What's
but
up?
in Mombasa.
The
Yeah,
sauce?
Yeah, the sauce.
Eating the fish, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. We are out. We're the Jam Tours family. We're the Traverse Culture family. And we're bringing you back to Africa. Come home. We are here. And we are enjoying everything that Jah make for us. We are here.